how to use Meta AI in Messenger, let's begin with the video. To start off, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once you are inside, look towards the bottom right and tap on the Meta AI option. After that, click on the message bar at the bottom and type your question or request and hit the send button. In just a moment, Meta AI will respond with an answer depending on what you have asked. Now you can manage the AI message by pressing and holding it. This brings up different options such as reacting, replying, saving, or forwarding it to someone else. If you select more, you will be able to remove the message or read the AI response for better future result. Whenever you need Meta AI again, just repeat the same step. And that's everything. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials.